Taking a look at my plans, the shelves shown are 3/4 of an inch thick, and our shelf material is also 3/4 of an inch thick. However, we have the plywood edge that we need to cover up. So we're first going to cut a piece of veneer edging just a little bit longer than the length of our shelf. We're then going to use an iron to iron on the veneer edging. And then we'll come back with a block and help press that down in place. Then we'll come back and trim off the tails and clean up both edges. And a little very light sanding will finish that up. And that process will be repeated for the additional shelves.